everyone, welcome to the Scholars Lair. In today's video, we will be seeing a lesson plan on the topic landscape in the subject of visual arts. This is a lesson plan for class 1st art education. So, without further ado, let's start. The first thing in the lesson plan that you have to write is the name of the trainee, the date, the grade you're teaching, time, topic, and subject. This could be the blackboard work. You could write some subject which is art and the topic landscape. Constructivist approach used are active engagement, hands-on learning, and students' exploration of landscape drawing. It is learner-centered and focuses on integration with subjects. Learning outcomes. Students draw the landscape consisting of sun, birds, mountains, rivers, trees, boat, and a house. They identify and name the elements of the drawing. They produce new and unique landscape from their imagination. And at the last, they color the composition appropriately. Learning objectives are students will be able to compare the size of elements in the drawing with respect to each other, outline the drawing, arrange, construct, and design the composition with precision, develop aesthetic sensibility and enhance their creative expression, improve imagination power. Moving on with teaching learning material, it is A4 size white sheet, crayons, black sketch pen, blackboard. The preparation of learning include teacher will initiate a discussion on family trips to a hill destination or any movie the students may have seen having mountains. Motivation includes showing them a picture of mountain scene. In the blackboard work, you can draw the landscape and you have to label everything. Previous knowledge testing. Ask students, have you seen mountains or on TV or in real life? The answer could be yes. Was there a lake or a river? Yes. What was its color? Could be brown, blue. Can you draw such a scene? Now that's a problematic question which answer we'll see. Teaching learning process includes the 5E. Process, methods and skill used. Number 1. Engage. Discussion on a mountain scene with river, trees and a house. Telling the names of elements in English. Asking students what else can be drawn. Methods are discussion and probing question. Skills are self-awareness, observation, communication. Next step is explain. PT or the pupil teacher will show students how to draw using the blackboard. Students will ponder upon the techniques used. Demonstration and skill is creative and free expression. Next is explore. Students will explore the colors to be filled and PT will write the color names on the element. Pupil teacher will tell students how to manage space in the page. Exploration and explanation, curiosity. Elaborate. Students will create the landscape using the following instructions. Each student will draw margins on the page. They will draw the landscape using scale and shapes like triangle for mountains, rectangle for house. Method is problem solving, learning by doing, direct instructions. Skills are drawing, painting, designing, observation, coloring. Students will outline using black sketch pen and color the composition. In evaluation, students, it will be done on the basis of neatness after coloring the art, completing the project in stipulated period of time, correct size and color scheme used. Pictorial sequence is the method, skill of presentation and exhibition. In learning extension, once the above activity has been completed, students will put it on the wall under the heading Art Corner. Integration includes EVS. Students learn about mountain, river, trees, sun, etc. Here is the finished product. This is it for today's video. We will continue a new lesson plan in the next one. For more such videos, please subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Do comment down if you have any doubts.
Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, please give it a like, share and subscribe.